Confess! Did you swipe those nuts?
I don't think I ain't saying nothing without my lawyer, fool.
What lawyer? You're a parrot. Where are the nuts?
At your mama's house.
Check the cage. We need to make sure there's nothing in there.
Hold it! Where's your warrant?
What warrant? You're a parrot!
I'm a citizen! I have a green card! I know my rights! This is police brutality!
Shut the fuck up. Fuck off.
Oh my god.
Go train some pigeons, bro.
No way.
For my fucking mother-in-law, fool.